Welcome and congratulations on your purchase of the Maztec X4 FCS. This revolutionary fire control system, with its integrated applied ballistics calculator, is designed to enhance your shooting experience by working seamlessly with your preferred low-power variable optic, or LPVO. In this instructional guide, we'll walk you through the basics of how to install, configure, and use your new X4 FCS to ensure you're ready for any situation. Before we begin, let's make sure you have everything you need. Inside the box, you'll find the following items: the Maztec X4 FCS fire control system, Maztec 18650 batteries, 2 USB-C charging cables, scope rings for mounting your LPVO, a T15 Torx tool for installing your scope rings, and a quick start guide. Now let's get started by charging the batteries. It's recommended to charge the provided Maztec batteries before first use. Here's how you do it. Plug the USB-C cable into the battery charging port. Next, plug the other end into a standard USB port or wall charger. When the battery is charging, a small LED will blink red. Once charging is complete, the LED will turn solid red. If the LED is solid green, the battery is not charging. Try a different power source to resolve this issue. Next, let's familiarize you with the FCS. The LPVO mounting interface, or scope rings, hot shoe interface for future add-ons, rail mount, rotary knob push button, I/O accessory port for connecting your Maztec accessories, environmental sensors and NFC touchpoint, and the battery compartment. To install the batteries, start by unscrewing the battery caps by hand. Place the Maztec batteries into the FCS, ensuring the proper polarity is indicated on the housing. Hand tighten the battery caps. Once the caps are secure, look at the display and confirm that the arrow is selecting Maztec 18650 as the battery type. Press the button to confirm your selection. For alternate battery options, you can also use 4 CR123 batteries. Detailed instructions on adjusting the battery caps for different batteries are available in the online manual. Turning on the X4 FCS is easy. The system will automatically power down after 30 minutes of no use. You can adjust this setting in the FCS menu. To wake up the device, simply shake it. The FCS will power on automatically when motion is detected. To manually power down, click and hold the control knob for 1 second, then navigate to the power off setting. After manually powering off the FCS, it will only turn back on when you press the FCS button. Before using the FCS in the field, perform a quick calibration of the built-in compass. To do so, hold the FCS in the following positions. Point it up and down, holding each position for 2 seconds. Then, while holding it in a horizontal position, rotate it 360 degrees. After calibration, you'll see the compass heading on the display. If calibration fails, try replacing the battery cap and repeat the process. Now let's install the FCS onto your weapon. Begin by loosening both rail bolts on your system. Place the FCS onto your weapon rail, ensuring it's securely positioned. Tighten both rail bolts with a 1/2-inch wrench. Do not torque more than 77 inch-pounds. If you don't have a torque wrench, tighten to a 1/4 turn past hand tight. With your FCS installed, it's time to mount your low-power variable optic, or LPVO. Use the T15 Torx tool to remove the scope rings from the X4 FCS. Place your LPVO inside the FCS, ensuring the front of the LPVO contacts the housing. If you're using the FCS in a maritime environment, leave a small gap to allow quicker water egress. Once in place, reinstall the scope rings and loosely tighten the fasteners. Tighten them after performing the initial alignment of your LPVO, which we'll go over next. Now let's align your LPVO with the X4 FCS reticle. Begin by slightly loosening the scope ring fasteners so your LPVO can rotate. Click and hold the FCS button to bring up the main menu. Rotate the knob to the display menu and select alignment. Now adjust the crosshairs using the FCS control knob to match your LPVO reticle. You may need to adjust the rotation of the LPVO to align the crosshairs. Hand tighten the scope rings once the alignment is complete. For the most efficient profile setup, we recommend connecting the FCS to the Maztec Companion app via Bluetooth. Start by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. To connect your FCS to the app, press and hold the FCS button for 1 second. Then navigate to the radio settings in the menu. Select Bluetooth on, then choose Pair Smartphone from the menu. Your X4 FCS will appear in the app as an available device. Follow the prompts on both the X4 FCS and the app to complete the pairing process. Once your devices are connected, you can set up ballistic profiles using the Maztec Companion app. Choose your weapon and ammunition profiles or create new ones as needed. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, entering the necessary details like muzzle velocity and other ballistic data for the best results. Maztec recommends to zero your firearm at 100 yards. To finalize your setup, head to the range to zero your LPVO according to your scope manufacturer's instructions. After zeroing your weapon, ensure your X4 FCS is on and capture the environmental data, temperature, pressure, and humidity for enhanced zeroing accuracy. Once everything is zeroed, use the X4 FCS to verify alignment and make any final adjustments as necessary. Repeat the digital alignment step to ensure your reticles are aligned. During this final alignment, adjust your LPVO to the maximum zoom level possible, which still allows you to properly see both reticles. Safely discharge 2 or 3 rounds from your weapon and ensure the 2 reticles remain aligned. To use the X4 FCS reticle, manually set your range to the target using the FCS control knob. Then press the button to save the range setting and calculate your ballistic solution. For fully integrated ranging, we recommend using the X4 LRF laser rangefinder. To keep your FCS in top condition, always follow firearm safety handling practices and avoid applying any bake-on finishes that could damage the lenses or sensors. Regularly clean the lenses with the microfiber cloth included and store your system in a cool, dry place. If you encounter any issues, like a dim display or system resetting during use, refer to the troubleshooting section in the manual for quick solutions. Thank you for choosing the Maztec X4 FCS. For more detailed instructions, videos, and additional support, please visit our website at www.maztecindustries.com. Happy shooting!